Hello ladies, and welcome back to my channel, dolls. How are you? As you can see by the title of this video, this is going to be a makeup tutorial on this look that I did when I did my KASH style ponytail video. If you didn't see that video, please look back. I should have that linked somewhere so that you can see this hair tutorial for the KASH style ponytail from Chanel Slippers video. It's lit, girl. It's lit. So anyway, back to this makeup. I'm just gonna let y'all look at the tutorial and y'all let me know what y'all think down below in the comments. I'll see you guys later. Alright ladies, I'm going right into it with my Tarte concealer on my eyelid and also setting that. I'm going to have videos playing showing you the exact products that I use because I just didn't feel like trying to name everything and possibly naming it incorrectly. The palettes that I'm using are the Zulu by Juvia's and also Afrique. So both of the palettes and the colors are going to be in those videos, so you'll see that. I'm just packing on this color right here and using circular motions just to make sure that that line is not harsh and it has like a softer appearance. And after that, I'm going to just buff that out and go in with this next color in the Zulu palette. It's so pretty, this orange, and I'm going to use that kind of like a transitioning color on my eye. So I'm just going to go back in with that Tarte just to brighten that area so I can pop in that blue by the Afrique palette. Next, I'm just going to pile this blue on, and then I'm going to also go back in with the same color I started with in the Zulu palette just to bring that color back in on the lid. Next, I'm going to go into this shimmery color. It's a shimmery turquoise color, and it's a little bit lighter than the first color that I applied to my lids. This is really pretty. In person, I feel like it doesn't even like really show how decent it is yet, but I think when it's at the end, it'll all come together. Next, I'm just going to go ahead with my e.l.f. liquid liner to create this winged liner look. I keep my liner thin on my eyes. I don't make it very thick in this particular look. It's for a couple reasons. One, I really wanted to see the color on my eyes, and two, because I already have hooded lids and it's just a better look if I keep my liner thin versus really thick. Going in with my foundation, which is Fenty in the color 410. And I'm just adding a little bit of the Tarte that I originally used on my lids on top of that first concealer that I used, and I'm going to blend that all out. Okay, now after that is set, I'm going to go ahead and start my contour on my nose using the MAC right there in the small video. You should be able to see the color. If not, you can always pause the video and take a look. Go ahead and also contour my cheek with that same product, and I'm going high up on my hairline. Then I'm using my Shop Miss A blush, a duo pack that I got from shopmissa.com. I'm using the Juvia's highlight as well in Nefertiti. I absolutely love this highlight. It's like the perfect golden shade of highlight for my skin complexion. I just wanted to bring in the bottom of my lid a little bit more, so I'm going in with this Ruby Kisses liquid liner in like green glitter, and then using my Lancôme mascara to make the bottom lash and my upper lashes as well pop. After applying my lashes, lower and top, I'm going to line my lip with just a regular brown lip liner. And then I'm going to proceed to use, yes, this liquid liner in the color blue to create the blue lip that you have seen in the beginning of this video. I just didn't have any blue lipstick or like lip liner or anything, so I had to improvise. Thank you for watching this video. I really love this look. I hope you guys did as well. Make sure you subscribe and thumbs up this video, and I'll see you next time.